All students are welcome in our today's videos. In this video, we are going to discuss the answers of bridge course means Setu Abhyas standard 10th subject English test number 2 answers. We had already uploaded the solution videos for test number 2 of Science 1, Science 2, Itihas, Nagrik Shastra, Marathi, Maths, and all the subjects for standard 10. So do not forget to subscribe our channels for new updates. Let us see the answers of the English test number 2. The question 1 is question 1a. Read the given passage carefully and write its central idea in a sentence. The passage is: motivation is the process that initiates, guides, and maintains goal-oriented behaviors. Motivation involves the biological, emotional, social, and cognitive forces that activate behaviors. In everyday uses, the term motivation is frequently used to describe why a person does something. Let's see the central idea. Motivation is important in life because it helps us gain valued results like personal growth, better well-being, enhanced performance, or a sense of confidence. Friends, you have to write the central idea for the passage by your own. It is only example. Next question B. Read the given news and answer the following questions. Weather update: cloudy, intermittent. India, 1 hour 33 minutes ago. The national capital Delhi is likely to witness pre-monsoon showers on Friday. The India Meteorological Department IMD said, as per the IMD forecasts, the conditions further advance of monsoons over Delhi may not happen at least till the next 5 days. Delhi would start receiving the monsoon rains only by June 29 after a delayed onset over Kerala. The first question is, what does IMD stands for? Friends, here they had given us 3 questions, of which answers are found in the passage directly. The first question answer: IMD stands for Indian Meteorological Department. The second question is, when is the national capital Delhi likely to witness pre-monsoon showers? The national capital Delhi is likely to witness pre-monsoon showers on Friday. The third question is, what will not happen till the next 5 days as per IMD forecast? As per the IMD forecast, the conditions for the advance of monsoons over Delhi may not happen at least till the next 5 days. Friends, you can write all the 3 answers. The next question is question 2. Do as directed. A. Complete the following words by using correct letters. The first is FUN-Y and second is CRU-B. We have to use a particular word in this. The first is FUNNY, funny. The answer is N. And second is CRUMB, crumb. The answer is yum. You can write both the words. Next question B. Complete the word chain of nouns. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. Friends, you have to write the nouns only. So let us see the answer. School, the last word is L. Lion, the last word is nest. And nest, the last word is T. Tongue, and the last word is E. Ear. Friends, you can write your own words for this answer. Question C. Write the related words as shown in the example. Tree, tall tree, big tree, short tree, green tree, mango tree. Friends, you can also write like banana tree, small tree, palm tree, etc. Let us see next question. D. Write the meaning of the words given below. 1. Dispute. We have to write the meaning of dispute and second aromatic. First, dispute. Argument between two people, groups or countries. And aromatic means having a pleasant, noticeable smell. You can write the meaning of both sentences. E. Make a meaningful sentence by using the phrase to take care of. You can write this sentence. Ram said, take care of yourself. Friends, it is accepted that you can write the answers of this question by your own. Question 3a. Read the following sentences and do as directed. Identify an exclamatory sentences from the following and write, and identify an interrogative sentences. The first sentence is, where are you going? And second question is, wow, what a wonderful thing it is. The exclamatory sentence is, wow, what a wonderful thing it is, because there is exclamatory mark in this sentence, and the interrogative sentence is, where are you going? Because there is question mark in this sentence. Question B. Read the sentences carefully. Choose the correct alternative and rewrite them. First, their parents are very hardworking. And second, I don't like to waste my time. We have to choose a correct word. The first sentence is their, second word, and in second question, waste, the third word. These are the answers. You have to rewrite the sentence. Question 4, which is last question. Letter writing, formal letter. Imagine that you are Sanskar Srushti D. Narayankar, 01-742 Vardhaman Chowk, Sangli. Melodious Little Champs. Golden opportunity for young and budding singers. Auditions are now open for the age group of 12 to 16. Venue is Bharat Natya Gruha, Ichalkaranji. Date 15 July 2021 to 30 July 2021. For more details, write to Mr. D. Praveen, in charge, Singers Association, Ichalkaranji. Note: bring your pre-recorded song in a pen drive for the audition. Formal letter. Let us see what is the question. Write a letter to your school headmaster or headmistress requesting him or her to give you permission to participate in the event. Use the point given in the above advertisement. You may add your own points. Let us see the letter. For example only, you have to write the letter by yourself. 2. The principal, Janta High School. You have to write any school name like New Era High School or anything. And address like Janta Chowk, Sangli. Subject, requesting for participation in the Melodious Little Champs. Let us start the real letter. Respected sir, with due respect, my name is Sanskar D. Narayankar, studying in class 10th A, holder of roll number 34. You can write any roll number. I am writing this letter to request you to allow me to participate in Melodious Little Champs competition, which is to be held on 15 July to 30 July at Bharat Natya Gruha, Ichalkaranji. I have also participated in many other competitions like India's Got Talent, Indian Idol. You can write any competition name like Nashik Talent, Music Idol, etc. I ensure you that if any work is assigned on the above mentioned date will be completed without any delays. Kindly allow me to take leave for these dates. I shall be obliged to you. Friends, you can write many more things in letter by your own. And we have to end letter by yours obediently, Sanskar D. Narayankar. You can also write the roll number below your name. Friends, you can write this letter, but it is accepted that you are writing by your own. Friends, please subscribe our Vicharwell channel for all the SETU test papers. We are going to upload test 3 of all the subjects as soon as possible. So, subscribe our channel for fastest updates, like our video and share it to all the students in your class, school or your friends. Thank you for your support.